Hi everyone, welcome to PSC Collegiate English. Today, let us look at the drama The School for Scandal. It was written by Richard Brinsley Sheridan and it was performed in 1777. The title School for Scandal refers to the popularity of malicious scandal and gossip of 18th century London upper class saloons. It was highly cultured and insular environments in which wit and complex mannerisms were learnt as if taught in a school. Middle class audiences were delighted in comic plays called Comedy of Manners, exposing the foibles of the privileged, self-indulgent class. As portrayed in plays, the upper classes had nothing better to do with their time than to tear down reputations, engaged in trivial and superficial pursuits, and score more points with each other for witty banter at the expense of truth. So, in order to depict this scenario or this particular mannerisms of the upper class privileged people, Sheridan has written this particular drama. We must remember that Sheridan wrote during the age of reason or enlightenment. It was the epoch of measured discourse, scientific advancement, and social and literary refinement that spanned 17th and 18th centuries. The movement witnessed the primacy of racial and emotional values. The flagship authors of the era were John Dryden, Swift, Pope, Henry Fielding, Samuel Johnson. Now, several literary forms emerged during the time. One of them is mock epic, for which Rape of the Lock, which was written in 1712, is a great example. Coming to Comedy of Manners. Comedy of Manners makes fun of the behavior of a particular class, popular in England and France. The play dramatizes usage habits and standards of contemporary society, contains witty dialogues and satirical calls. It plays on the human frailties and foibles into question. The age of reason was from 1660 to 1700. Playwrights like William Wycherley, Etheridge, George Farquhar, John Gay, Aphra Behn, William Congreve all wrote such dramas. They imitated French Molière. Now coming to School of Scandal as such, School of Scandal is often considered the greatest comedy of manners in English. Let us also look at speaking names or type names. Some way the type names describe or relate to the nature of a character, prominent feature of the comedy of manners. Imitation of this device by the playwrights of Restoration age reflected the admiration they cherished for the classical heritage. Restoration drama entered with Charles II with the opening of Drury Lane Theatre in 1663. Sheridan is an Anglo-Irish playwright, impresario as well as Whig politician. Let us also look at the characters of the School for Scandal. Sir Peter Teazle, Lady Teazle, Sir Oliver Surface, who who wants to judge his nephews Joseph and Charles Surface, Lady Sneerwell. Now these people are associated with the School for Scandal. Lady Sneerwell, Sir Benjamin Backbite, Sir Harry Bumper, Mrs. Condor, Careless, Crabtree, Maria, Moses, Rowley, Snake and Trip. So all these people, they try to dissuade Charles from marrying Maria just for the sake of their entertainment, and that is how the drama proceeds. Thank you so much.